Merry Christmas. This is insane. Look how pretty the tree looks all decorated. Stockings. Merry Christmas, Daddy.
Merry Christmas, honey.
Merry Christmas. It's like 8:30 right now, and we're all waiting for my brother to get up, of course. But I just showed you guys the tree, and everything looks so pretty in the house, and I'm so blessed. And we just put out our breakfast Christmas spread. I got all of our cookies, some glasses for eggnog, a fruit salad. So blessed. Merry Christmas! Where are they? Oh, what the heck? I didn't even know they could go over there. They're like, what's in that bucket? We just fed the cows some Christmas grain. They're so cute. Time to open presents. I just unwrapped this nice crisscrossy sweater from Madewell with a hood. Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome.
What is it?
It's just a really good quality wool blanket. Or Pirelli's. You can just take it over and put it on the couch. Okay.
Drinking eggnog.
I just want to finish my eggnog while it's cold.
I think the other one's
Asleep.
not as heavy.
Presents.
Whatever.
I just unwrapped this new Carhartt coat.
I was like, wow, that seems like a great deal.
Men
One thing,
gifts.
And then I looked, I was like,
Ratchet
you load up
straps.
the trailer with
Ratchet
hay,
straps.
Equipment on the
It turned into like a really beautiful day, but
No.
it's kind of a bummer because it's Christmas. I want it to be cold and snowy. But I'm gonna hang up these little birdseedy ornaments, I guess you could call them, in this tree. They're made from pork fat and seeds. Christmas chores. I'm gonna feed these rotten apples to the chickens, I think. Hi, chickens! Excuse me!
Way down there so I can get to the water.
Yeah.
They should probably go out on the other side.
Yeah.
But I already sealed the door.
Apple!
Wait. Oh. I've had.
I got a onesie!
I had coveralls and stuff before. It's a kind of rage stuff.
What is this brand? One Piece. One Piece onesie.
Impromptu surprise for you. The Haynes sisters.
Sisters, sisters, there were never such devoted sisters. Never had to have a chaperone, no sir. I'm here to keep my eye on her.
It's snowing! So, It's the next day right now and I just left the gym, hence why I look like this. But I hope you guys enjoyed some of those little peeks at my family's Christmas. Obviously, I wasn't going to film all day, and I mean, I'm trying to not do vlogs all the time, but I'm also not going to interrupt our family time because it really was just awesome to be home and hang out with my family, and we are all so thankful for each other and our gifts, obviously, even though it's not all about the gifts. I'm not going to preach that to you guys though, because you guys know that. But it was really beautiful, and we had awesome food, and I mean, I'm still here for a few more weeks, so yeah, it's just been really nice, and I hope you guys are having a happy holidays. And this is probably going to get to you like on New Year's, because it takes, I just found this out on my last video, it takes like friggin' 4 days to upload a video here, because I'm pretty sure just like the whole broadband in general in the middle of nowhere is just really shitty. So I don't know, because I tried on multiple different Wi-Fi's and everything, so my apologies, but I hope you guys watched this video anyway, and I hope you made it to this part. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe, please.